Okay, so this is me, Laxus Menek Miguel, and I have a facts about myself during this. Every time was happening. First, my name is my name. My name has 31 letters. Got this. Count this slowly. I'll say it slowly, so you'll go. There's one Spanish letter that every English and or American or British would know. It's just okay. Sorry, please read this carefully. LAXUSREDNICKMIGUEL. Okay. There are two spaces. Okay. Laxus was named for Prophet Man. Miguel is from the name of names. How I got Red Nick is because my mom is Mildred, my father is Dominic. Mildred, red and here, and Dominic, Nick on my name. So that's how I got Red Nick. It's from my parents. And the middle name is my mother's name. Or in Filipino, it's called apelyido. My middle name is my mother's last name, Abanyo. Because my mother's name is Mildred Ramboyong Abanyo. And my last name is also my father's last name, which is Valencia. Which means I live in my grandmother Lorna's house and also in this house too. And by the time I was using the tablet at Lola Lorna's house, my little sister, her name, Camila Lorraine Abanyo Valencia, feels addicted to this tablet I was using now for making a video. And back to the name spelling. Okay, my first name has 18 letters. And my middle name, A-B-A-N-Y, which is the Spanish letter, and O is the 5 letters of my middle name. And my last name has 8 words, which is V-A-L-E-N-C-I-A. And that's my name.
Yes.
18.
Oh.
Let's calculate. Let's add it. 18 plus 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. Okay, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 3 plus 8. Okay, 11 plus 20 is equal to 31. So that's why my name has 31 letters. And up next, spelling my little sister's name. I don't need to tell you the middle name. Because her middle name is also Abanyo and her last name is also Valencia. So I'll just spell her first name. C-A-M-I-L-A, which is C-A-A, and a special letter. Mildred Butmil on Camila Lorraine's name, which is Camila. And then,
Kasi first time niyo po, di ba? Opo.
for Lola Lorna, my grandmother, Zia Lord. When she says E-I from the word
Kasi
for rain, they did not remove the letter R as R-E-I-G-A.
yun. Kaya,
And that's because it's called L-O, Lorraine. In fact, she gets traumatic when people wanted to borrow gadgets or suddenly take gadgets from her. She gets traumatic and does like this. Bakit kinuha? And then she throws a tantrum like this. Like, I took the tablet and she said, Kuya! That's what she says. Sorry, my voice is too loud for sure. Sorry, my viewers. My voice is too loud. From the Poppy Playtime, chapter 1 to 5, I have personalities from each character. Let's start with the smiling critters. I have the Picky Piggy's personality, which means I have hungry. I eat 2 plates of rice with a dish on it, like with a powder of milk, solid and even. Next is the Bubba Fencing personality, which I use during
Medical assistance.
the exam tests every time I take. It's former personality. Next is the first personality, which means crafty corn, which means I'm also good at art too. Like, I draw the Titanic, which looks almost or completely realistic for sure. That's because how I become so good at art that I've been drawing things. I don't know how to draw all of the Ant-Man. I only know Dr. And then I have every voice act. I can voice act anything. Like, first, let's start with Mommy Longlegs. I asked you to play fair, and you cheated. I hate cheaters. Okay, one last game. It's called Hide and Seek. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. When you don't hide, she'll scream the jump scare, as she was about to say the number 1, like this. And right there. That jump scare was this. When you two hide, she'll say the number 1 without any jump scare. And next is, in chapter 4, the next one is Doughy the Dough Man, which is like this. Hey, pal, don't worry, I won't eat you. Follow me this way. And he was so stretchy. He was so squishy he could pass through things that people cannot fit through. And the next one is Dog Day, which is the forest. You need to get out of this place. You need to learn. His first words are, he does this. Which I only know from Google is,
yung first timer po ng check up doon, hindi pa kayo mabibigyan ng medical to follow.
And his last words are, oh no, leave me. Let's go. Run. And he screams like this. And he chokes at once. I was choking at and he crawls up like this. That's what it's called. Right, so this is
fasting po, ha?
Opo. Ilang oras ang fasting niya, Dre?
8 hours po eh. Bali, ano
and
po, mga 10 or 12.
that was the facts about me that I have on.
Tapos, maaga kayo.
And so, that's 10 minutes.
6 nakaalis na kayo.
Well, before I forget, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and copy link below on my channel.
Heart center.
See you on the next video. Bye-bye.